Ever pondered the art of seamlessly connecting a mixer, power amplifiers, and equalizers in a rack? Well, it's about to get a whole lot clearer. Today, we're breaking down this process into easy-to-follow steps. So, sit back, relax, and absorb the knowledge. First things first, what are these devices? A mixer, as the name suggests, mixes multiple audio signals into a combined output. Power amplifiers boost the signal from the mixer, while equalizers adjust the balance between frequency components. Now, onto the main event, the connection process. This is where the magic happens. The first step is to properly position the devices in the rack. Ideally, the mixer sits at the top for easy accessibility, followed by the equalizer, and then the power amplifier at the bottom. This arrangement ensures efficient airflow and minimizes heat buildup. The next step is cabling. Start with the mixer. Grab the main output cables and connect them to the equalizer's input. This allows the mixer's signals to flow into the equalizer for fine-tuning. The equalizer comes next. Connect the equalizer's outputs to the power amplifier's inputs. This sends the balanced audio signals to the amplifier for a much-needed power boost. Now it's time to connect the power amplifier to the speakers. Use speaker cables to make this connection. Remember, the output of the amplifier goes to the input of the speakers. Finally, power up the devices in the correct sequence. This is critical to avoid damaging the equipment. Start with the mixer, then the equalizer, and finally, the power amplifier. A quick recap on the key points. First, arrange the devices in the rack. Mixer at the top, equalizer in the middle, and power amplifier at the bottom. Second, connect the mixer's output to the equalizer's input. Third, connect the equalizer's output to the power amplifier's input. Fourth, connect the power amplifier's output to the speaker's input. Finally, turn on the devices in the correct order: mixer, equalizer, then power amplifier. Congratulations! Now, the complex process of connecting a mixer, power amplifiers, and equalizers in a rack has been demystified. Sound manipulation never seemed so simple, did it? Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to get hands-on with your equipment. Happy mixing!